are. And first we are going to show them to you.
Yeah.
So here is blue dumpling slime. This next one is buttermilk pancake mix slime. This one is key lime pie. This one is fruit punch. This one is pink bubblegum machine. This one is sour limeade twist. This one is sticky marshmallow cream. This one is chocolate chip cookie. This one is tropical island breeze. This one is watermelon cotton candy. This one is cotton candy cupcake. This one is sour lemonade twist. This one is berry crunch snow cone. This one is cake batter. This one is blueberry crunch Pop-Tart. And this last one is called grape jelly slime. So these are all the slimes. So yeah. So we're each going to do 8. So McKenna's going to get blindfolded first, and I'm going to pick a slime, and then I'll show you it, guys. Go. Like this, like that. Okay. So let me see. I'm going to do... Do you want me to open it for you?
Sure. Well,
it's a foam.
Okay.
It's the only hint I'm giving you.
It doesn't have a scent.
It does have a scent. I can smell it all the way from here.
It smells like laundry detergent.
Really?
Yeah.
Ugh. It smells good though. It just hit me in the nose with it.
Is it? I can't think of any of them.
Do you want me to tell you all the foam names?
Sure.
So all the names of the foams are watermelon cotton candy, berry crunch snow cone, blueberry crunch Pop-Tart, pink bubblegum machine, and I think that's it. I'm not sure. Oh, and tropical island breeze.
This is tropical island breeze.
Yes.
Okay. Pretty sticky.
It's not sticky to me.
So I guess correct.
So that's 1 point.
I have some foam.
This part right there. Okay, my turn now. You guys, this is not see-through, I swear.
Yeah.
Wait.
There you go.
I'm even closing my eyes underneath. Okay, so let's see. So show them before you leave it to me. Okay. Here's the slime. Oh, there we go. Sorry. Chocolate chip cookie. Yeah. Smells good. So 1 point. So a 1. See if you get the next one.
Swear I'm not looking. It's I already know it.
Is it the sticky marshmallow thing?
Nope.
Is it fruit punch?
No.
I really feel like it's the sticky marshmallow one.
It's not.
Can you give me a hint?
Not really. It has glitter in it.
Is it one of the cotton candies?
There's not a few cotton candies. There's only one cotton
There's
candy.
two.
There is? What's the other one?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, because you don't know what you got. I don't even know that other cotton candy.
What is the candy called? Is it what is it?
So let me see if there are two cotton candies.
Jeanne's jumping down on me.
Just stop playing with it really quickly. I don't think there's another cotton candy, so...
Okay, there is though.
But what is it called?
I don't remember.
Oh yeah, it's watermelon cotton candy.
Yeah. So is this one blue raspberry cotton candy?
No, but it's cotton candy cupcake.
Cotton candy cupcake. Okay. So half of a point because I got the cotton candy part.
So 1.5 points.
Okay. Can we go get a napkin so I can sign off?
Sure. Okay, so we got our napkin.
We got some tissues right here.
And now I'm gonna get blindfolded. MAKENA, you can't open them. You just gotta pick the name.
I know, I'm smelling them.
Favorite nickel.
Yep.
How can you tell? I don't know. How about we're just not allowed to I'm not allowed to smell them because maybe I just know them from smelling them.
Yeah.
I'm not allowed to smell them because I kind of know the scents a lot.
And it's her slime, so.
Okay.
Is this upside down?
No.
I feel like it was. Okay, I can totally see everyone who knows that.
Okay, I'm not ready. Shine them. Okay. I think you'll get this one right. MAKENA, I'm not ready. MAKENA. I'm opening the lid. MAKENA, I'm opening the lid. It smells so good. MAKENA, don't tip it upside down.
Hello. Sorry. I don't know. I have a blindfold on. Is it bubble gum machine thing?
No.
No, it's is it fruit punch?
Yes. So you only get 3 guesses how about.
Okay.
And if you get it, you get the name wrong, but you get some of it, you get to have a point.
Like if it's a cotton candy.
Yeah. smells good.
Okay, so I'm gonna use this one.
I'm not smelling it. What? This is weird. That's really good.
Here's some right there. Obrigada by alfalfa does. Cake batter.
Yeah. I'm good at this game.
Jeannie, let's take it out of the container for feeling it, okay?
Okay. Unless it's like the sticky marshmallow cream.
Yeah. Those are super duper sticky. Whoa.
Okay. Your turn. It's probably just my mother. Okay, this is the next one that I'm giving.
Whoa, sorry.
Did you see it?
No, I didn't.
Don't do that. Getting it out of the container still. Give me a second.
Oh my gosh, what is this?
It smells really good.
Is this watermelon cotton candy?
No. Two more guesses.
Is it? I feel like this is watermelon something.
It's not.
I have no clue. Is it? Ooh, what's it called? The bubblegum machine thing.
Just try to name it. It's really simple.
I forgot.
MAKENA, it's just something right before the bubblegum machine. Pink.
Pink bubblegum machine.
Yes.
So did I get a half of a point or a point?
Well, you guessed like 3 times, so you get a full point.
Okay. There's like 12.
Yeah, I haven't really kept track of how many points we've gotten.
I got 2.5.
I've gotten 3.
2, 3. 2. Wait,
3.
you got
So
3.
you've already given me this one, you've already given me this one, you've already given me this one. Is that it?
I think so. You've given me this one.
So yeah, you got 2.5 because you were like,
I got
You got
the cotton candy part right.
just put all of yours that you've already done over there.
This one, and it was just the other one.
I gave you this one.
So it's cotton candy cupcake.
Okay, and I'm ready. But I'm not allowed to smell it. So I just have to breathe out of my mouth.
Hello, Jeanne. I am a cow.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm breathing out of my mouth.
Whoa. Okay, so this one's very sticky.
I feel limeade sour limeade twist. Right or wrong?
Yes, you were right.
But I'm not even smelling it. Ew, it's dripping.
I know. It got on my leg. This is very, very sticky slime.
Well, some of it is.
Mm-hmm.
Some of it's not.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and put your blindfold.
I still have to.
I know what it's gonna give you. Just looking.
So that's 4 and 2.5.
You're at 3.5.
Okay.
And I'm at 4.
That stuff was really sticky.
I know what I'm gonna give her, guys. You probably won't remember the name though. Just please don't look.
I will.
Okay, this is what I'm gonna give her. Not ready. I'll tell you when I'm ready.
Mm.
And go.
This. Ow. What are you doing? Where are you?
Nothing.
I can't tell. It doesn't have a smell.
It's blue.
I don't know. Like, I don't know what this is. Can I see the cup?
Wait, no, you don't need to see the cup.
I know. I want to feel it.
You can't feel
I
it.
swear I'm closing my eyes.
You can't see the cup.
I'm not going to be able to see it.
Okay, you can't feel something. It's not. You can't feel it.
Okay. What is this? I have no clue.
That's 0 points then.
Can you give me a hint?
We already did. It's blue.
Another one? How about you get 3 hints?
It's blue. It's blue. It has a D, blue, and then D.
I don't remember any of them that are blue.
Blue D.
What is this?
Blue D-Link.
What is that?
That's your hint. Blue D-Link.
That doesn't help at all.
It actually does once you figure it out.
much more time. Okay.
You just saw it.
No, I didn't. Okay, so what was it?
Blue dumpling.
Blue dumpling.
I said blue D-Ling. You're like, that's no hint at all.
It's not.
There really is.
D-Ling. D-Ling.
I was going to call you dumpling. Blue dumpling.
I already know which one I'm gonna give you. Looks like there are more slimes down here.
Yeah, I know. I'm just scratching my back.
Smells good.
How are we supposed to figure this out without smelling it?
Because it has a really strong scent. I can smell it from here.
What? Melon cotton candy.
How do you know?
I don't know. So nice.
Yeah. Oh, it smells so good.
Okay.
Wait, this should go in your pile.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Are there any in here that we've already done? And don't play with your blindfold while you play with it, okay? That's cheating.
Alright. It hurts.
Just telling you. I'm almost ready.
I want the slime. Is it a sticky one or not?
No.
What is this? What is this? No. What the heck? Is it grape jelly slime?
Yes.
I don't know how I got that.
You're like, no. What is this?
What is it?
It's sand.
That is so cool. What is it?
Sand.
I know, but this is so awesome. Still got some.
It feels good, doesn't it?
How did I get that? I swear I didn't cheat.
I know.
Do that one, you'll definitely know what it is. Oh, wow. Hold on. This isn't all of it, it's just...
Okay, guys, so it's my turn.
I'm just playing around with the slime. That is kind of sticky. Oh.
one's sticky?
I don't know yet. I'll see. Whoa. Hold on. Okay, Jeannie. Okay, so there's still some left. It's pretty sticky.
Sour lemonade twist?
Yes.
Why didn't you just keep it in the container?
I don't know.
I need help.
So do I.
MAKENA, get this off me. I can't.
Tissue.
Don't wipe all of it off. Don't. I'm selling it. I'm going to waste it. I could add a little more activator to these. So.
Okay guys, so this is super sticky slime.
But I'm going to add more activator.
Good. So that was that slime. I don't think I'm ever going to touch it again.
If it's sticky, keep it in the container. If it's not, don't. Okay?
I know, but at first it wasn't too sticky. And now it is. Ow. Is it sticky or not?
I'm not telling you. Here you go.
This one. Pancake batter?
Well, what's the name?
Pancake mix?
Nope.
Ugh, it's getting stuck to me. Can I have a hint?
You don't know what usually pancakes are called?
Pancake?
MAKENA, there's a type of pancake that's really yummy.
Buttermilk pancake.
Close. Buttermilk pancake what?
Batter.
Mix.
Mix.
Yeah, mix.
Ugh, no.
Look at doing it. None of these slimes stick to MAKENA stick to me very much. It's weird. Okay.
Trying to decide if it's sticky or not.
Let me feel it. Just keep it in it.
Don't smell.
key lime pie.
Yes.
Where's the lid?
Right here. Okay, so this is oozing out.
So guys, there are 3 left. There is
Nope.
2 left. There's sticky marshmallow cream and blueberry crunch pop tart. So the thing is that the last person's gonna already know what it is.
I know. So let's go.
But I'll still do it. Okay.
Hold on. Yeah.
Don't smell it first, feel it first.
I already know it.
What?
Sticky marshmallow cream.
Yeah.
So you already know what you get.
How about you just pick a random one out of it, all of them and make me guess?
Okay.
Just cause.
You know. So let's put them all back in the bowl. Remember, we're only doing one more. Can you put them all back in the bowl? Help me.
Well, you're not gonna do any of mine, obviously, because I've already done them.
Okay. Ooh. Hold on. Getting it out.
Drop glove and breathe.
No.
Can I smell it?
I don't. I feel like you're gonna know it to smell it.
Pink bubblegum machine?
No.
This is hard. I have no clue. Blueberry pop tart?
Yes.
Wait.
What's the name?
Blueberry crunch pop tart.
Mm-hmm.
You did that. I think that's funny though, because I asked you like.
I know.